Hi class. Alright, so like I said, I'm going to show you a video of how I want you to do your midterm presentation. So I'm going to show you how to make columns in a Word document, but also how to submit the document to D2L. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is open Word. Now, mine's on my toolbar down at the bottom. You may have to search for yours, which would just be typing in Word, and it would show up as Word, usually with a number after it. Alright, so I've opened mine. I'm going to click the blank document. I'm going to go over here and make it Times New Roman. And I'm going to make it a 20 font for my heading. Now, I'm going to write Dixon, Tennessee. That's my hometown. Yours should look something like this with the name of your hometown. And you're going to go down. You need to put a line and go down again. Okay. Now I'm going to take mine back over. I'm going down to 12 point and do a brief introduction. Dixon, Tennessee is located 45 minutes west of Nashville. It has many fun activities. Then I can do my first activity. I can make it the introduction bigger again and say I'm going to do Montgomery Bell State Park. And then I just write something like, I need to make mine go smaller to 12 point again. I can put Montgomery Bell has an inn that you can stay in. It is on the lake within the park. And then I can Google it. I have Googled Montgomery Bell State Park, and here's images. This is probably one of the best ones. So I go from here. I'm going to click to view this page, and they have this big picture of it, but I'm not sure about that. So I can come over here to About, go down, and you see over here on the right hand side it has pictures, and there's the picture I want. So right click, copy image, come over here. I'm going to space down, paste it, and then if I grab the corners where you see the little white dots in the corners and in the middle, if you grab those, you can make it smaller, and then you can move it around. That's something you don't need to worry about. Okay, so I have that. Now, not wanting to cooperate. I'm going to go back up and do another activity, and then go down right about it, go down, I'll have to increase my size, and too big, and do nearby, take my font size back down, right about that, and then I may also want to put a picture up here or find out about my own hometown, so I'll go back here, I'll open a new tab, and I'll just type in the name of my hometown, Dixon, Tennessee. And here I have all sorts of information, the city of Dixon, but I'm going to go to images right now, and then I have all these nice images. I'm going to click on this one, click there again, copy image, resize that, let's see, there we go. I'm going to put it right there. So now I have everything on here. Now what I'm going to do is highlight everything. I'm going to go to page layout, columns, 3 columns, and then I'm just going to put everything in its own column. As you can see, I did my little bit of information there. I'm going to go ahead and take that picture out though, because it wasn't working, so I don't see a good one right now on there, so I'm not going to worry about a picture for Dixon. But I'm still going to make sure everything's lined up like this. Now I'm going to go down here. I'm going to put in a footer. And what I'm going to do is go back to where I got the picture from. I'm going to copy this web page. I'm going to put it in there just like that. Now I have a link that if I hit Control and click on this link will take me right to that page where I got this picture from. Okay. Now if you'll like double click in the top, you can write your name and the date. So February. Let's hit enter. Okay, so I've got my midterm project done. Now if you want to change your layout too, you can go back to page, orientation, and do landscape. And it becomes like the handout I gave you for midterm. And you just take this, oops, not what I wanted, and you just give everything its column, like what I did. Alright. So now we're going to save it. We're going to save it as Midterm Project. Okay, so once we've done all that, we need to come back. We're going to go to D2L. I'm going to do it. Now I have it up as my student view. And so to turn it in, I'm going to go to Tasks, Dropbox, Midterm Project. And over here you see the due date is March 5th, 2016 at 12 a.m. So you click on that. You click Add Files, Upload. Then you just have to find your document. Okay, so let's see. Let's see, where did I put it? Ah, there it is. Well, apparently I saved it wrong. So what we do is we come back here, just hit save again. Not gonna do it, so we'll hit File, Save. Save as. Then alright, so now that's saved like it should be. We'll cancel this one out. Hit upload again. Click on that. Then Midterm Project, right there it is. We'll click on that. We'll click Add. And now it's been added. If we want to add any comment down here, like if you need to tell me something about formatting or anything I need to pay particular attention to, you'll put it here in the comment section and you just hit submit. File submission is successful. And you come up here. You get a receipt for it with your little envelope up here at the very top. They'll say it was received, and then I'll have the date and time that you submitted it. If you're done, you just click on done. And now there's nothing else you need to do. It's been submitted. Okay. Now if you have any other questions about this, please come see me.